Let's make a quick and easy Brussels sprout salad. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today I've got such a quick recipe for you because it's after the holidays and nobody wants to cook. And this is really nice and light. And as added bonus, Brussels sprouts. They're loaded with fiber and vitamin C. So right now, when there's all those colds and viruses going around, get some Brussels sprouts in there. It'll help boost your immunity. So I've got 1 whole pound of Brussels sprouts in here. You want to cut that little end off and then slice it really nice and thin. Honestly, that's about the only thing that takes any kind of time with this recipe. Then I've got a cup of toasted pecans, but you could also use walnuts. And then I've got the tops of some green or some spring onions, just the green parts. Half a cup of dried cranberries. That's all the main part of the salad that we're just gonna toss it up here. Super quick and easy, just like I said. Now we're on to the dressing. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of free printable recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook series, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting membership community. So if you love our recipes, I invite you to join us on our mission to make plant-based cooking easy, and follow the link in the description to become a supporting member today. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. Before we make this salad dressing, please give this video a like because it really helps it get out there to more viewers. All right, so we're gonna start with, I've got 1/3 cup of raisins, 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds, and you could also use cashews instead of sunflower seeds if you just can't find those. 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, the juice of 2 oranges, which is, about 1/3 cup, and then 1 cup of water. And we're just gonna blend this until those raisins and the sunflower seeds are completely pulverized. All right, there we go. Now all that's left is to just pour it over. And if you don't want it to be that juicy, you can pour just a little bit and stir it. And add maybe a little bit more. And as this sits, it's gonna soak up more of that juice. So just keep this on the side if you want more or if you like it really saucy. That is all there is to it. So I'm gonna grab a bowl and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. Okay, it's my favorite time, the eating part. So come on in for a closer look because this is so pretty. Just vibrant, I love it. All right, let's go in here. Tangy and rich from those pecans. You're gonna love it. Come on back next week for another great recipe.